Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn warming up and chit chat of unit number 4.1 what is success from standard 9th subject English. Let's go start. First question, do you have a hobby? तुम्हाला एखादा छंद आहे का? Answer, yes, I have a hobby. My hobby is reading books. Second question, do you play a musical instrument? तुम्हाला एखादे वाद्य वाजवता येते का? Answer, no, I do not play a musical instrument. और मध्ये उत्तर दिले, जर तुम्हाला एखादे वाद्य वाजवता येत असेल तर Yes, I play a musical instrument like guitar. Third question, what is the latest thing that you learn to do? तुम्ही अलीकडे कोणती नवीन गोष्ट करायला शिकला आहात? Answer, I learned to draw pictures and riding a bicycle recently. Fourth question, have you ever taught someone else to do something? तुम्ही कधी दुसऱ्या कुणाला काही करायला शिकवले आहे का? Answer, yes, I have taught my friend how to write a letter. Next question, prepare a speech to deliver in an inter-school competition on how to achieve success in life with the help of the following web chart. खाली दिलेल्या वेब चार्टच्या मदतीने जीवनात यश कसे मिळवावे या विषयावर आंतरशालेय स्पर्धेसाठी भाषण तयार करा. या दिलेल्या वेब चार्टच्या मदतीने स्पीच तयार केलं आहे. आन्सर पाहूयात. गुड मॉर्निंग रिस्पेक्टेड टीचर्स and my dear friends. Today I am going to speak on how to achieve success in life. Success does not come easily. It needs hard work and perseverance. We should have clear goals and make proper planning to achieve them. We must have determination, devotion and dedication in our life. Positive thinking gives us strength. Confidence helps us to believe in ourselves. Daily practice makes us perfect. We should learn from our own mistakes and move forward. We must do good time management and have patience. We should have passion for our work and always set achievable goals. Sometimes we have to make sacrifice to reach our goals. Planning is very important for success. The lives of successful people inspire us and give us motivation. If we work honestly with patience and confidence, success will surely come in our life. In short, with hard work, confidence, planning and positive thinking, we can achieve success in life. Thank you. Jai Hind. जय भारत. Question second, what might success mean to the following people? Think about it and write. पुढील व्यक्तीसाठी यशाचा अर्थ काय असू शकतो याचा विचार करा व लिहा. First, a student. To get good marks and pass the exam. Participating in sports and different competition. Second, a businessman. Gaining a huge profit and achieving his target in business. Third, a doctor diagnosing and treating patients and even saving a dying person. Fourth, a sports person setting his own record by participating in different tournaments, winning medals and trophies. Fifth, a politician winning an election and working for the welfare of society. Sixth, a person who has applied for a job, getting a job with a huge salary package. Seventh, a teacher helping his student to improve, teaching and guidance every child of his class. Eighth, parent raising a child and to make him her a good human being. अशा पद्धतीने आज आपण व्हॉट इज सक्सेस या कवितेचे वॉर्मिंग अप व चिटचॅट ॲक्टिव्हिटी अभ्यासल्या आहेत. जर हा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला आवडला तर लाईक, शेअर आणि चॅनलला निश्चित सबस्क्राईब करा. पुन्हा भेटूया नवीन पाठासोबत. तोपर्यंत जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.